Reviews best motorcycles with reverse gears. Honda Africa Twin CRF1100L Adventure Sports. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of adventure touring motorcycles, specifically those that offer advanced features like reverse gear. We have a real gem to showcase, the Honda Africa Twin CRF1100L Adventure Sports. This versatile machine has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we're here to break down why. Background and description. The Honda Africa Twin CRF1100L Adventure Sports is a powerful and comfortable touring motorcycle designed for long-distance travel and off-road exploration. It's powered by a 1,084 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that delivers a smooth and torquey performance, perfect for highway cruising and tackling challenging terrain. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the Africa Twin CRF1100L Adventure Sports is its reverse gear. This innovative feature makes maneuvering the heavy bike in tight spaces much easier, especially when parking or reversing out of a garage. In addition to the reverse gear, the Africa Twin CRF1100L Adventure Sports comes with a host of advanced features, including a large TFT display, adaptive cruise control, heated grips and seats, and a premium audio system. The bike also features spacious panniers and a top case for ample storage space. Design and aesthetics. The Africa Twin CRF1100L Adventure Sports has a rugged and adventurous design, with a sleek and aerodynamic shape. Its high ground clearance, long travel suspension, and knobby tires give it a capable and off-road ready appearance. Target audience and relevance. The Africa Twin CRF1100L Adventure Sports is ideal for riders who are looking for a versatile and capable adventure touring motorcycle. Its powerful engine, advanced technology, and off-road capabilities make it a top choice for those who want to explore new horizons. Expert reviews. The Africa Twin CRF1100L Adventure Sports has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, comfortable ride, and advanced features. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The Africa Twin CRF1100L Adventure Sports is a fantastic choice for riders who want a premium touring motorcycle. It's comfortable, powerful, and a lot of fun to ride." Comparison to other adventure motorcycles. When compared to other popular adventure motorcycles, the Honda Africa Twin CRF1100L Adventure Sports stands out for its versatility and value. Its smaller displacement engine makes it more fuel efficient and easier to handle than some larger options, making it a great choice for new riders or those on a budget. Conclusion. The Honda Africa Twin CRF1100L Adventure Sports is a well-rounded touring motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and comfort. Its advanced features, including the reverse gear, make it a practical and convenient choice for long-distance travel and off-road exploration. So, if you're looking for a luxurious and capable adventure motorcycle, the Africa Twin CRF1100L Adventure Sports is definitely worth considering.